I will show you how to use the ultrasonic humidifier. But first let's talk about the product. So we can get user manual, power code, you can choose it according to your country. So the humidifier has 300 milliliters capacity, timer mode and 7 different backlights. It's made of PP plus ABS material, which will protect it from damage. It has 4 rubber seals, which protect your surface, air outlet, and you can easily control it by using these 2 buttons. So, plug in and power on the device. Add some water up at the indicated mark, approximately 300 milliliters. Also, we can add 1 or 2 drops of essential oil, which will give off a natural aroma. And you can buy it in our store. Cover the lid. Let's see how it works. Press this button, we turn on the light. The humidifier has 7 different backlights. You can set them on or choose between dim and bright colors. If you press this button the second time, we set one of the color on. If we press the third time, we can choose between dim or bright colors. Press this button, we turn on the mist. The humidifier has 3 different timer modes, so you can choose. If you press the first time, it's for 10 seconds timer mode, with the 10 seconds intermittent signal lights. If you press the second time, it's for 2 hours, it will work the same. And for 4 hours. So open our lid and see what we have. Our product has 1 year's guarantee, and if you get a damaged device, you can return it within 15 days. We are responsible for our goods and help you to solve some problem.